My name is Troy Riddle. I am the Director of Diversity Affairs and Outreach at the John Marshall Law School in Chicago, Illinois. I think that this is absolutely life-changing, life-altering information that's being imparted. It makes me wish that I had had some of this information when I was deciding whether or not to go to law school, first of all, and then once I made the decision, how to best proceed in making applications to law schools.
My name is Elisabeth Campbell. I'm a partner and the Chief Diversity Officer for Andrews Kurth. In addition to sponsoring, I also moderated a panel that introduced students to the diversity and inclusion issues and opportunities as they pertain to the law profession. So it's important for the students who attend this conference to have an idea of what their practice is going to be like from a diversity and inclusion standpoint.
My name is Meridia Rogers. I am a diversity and inclusion manager at Bracewell and Giuliani. I think it's important for students to understand that there are professionals like myself to help these students have a better opportunity and get all the information they can in order to be successful in their law school application. We're here to help.
My name is Dwayne Earl Tobias. I am the Assistant Director of Admissions for the Catholic University of America, Columbus School of Law in Washington, D.C. It's an important event because it's one of the very few events where African American students can come together and get great information about getting into law school, and they can hear the truth and the facts from people that look like them.
My name is Myra Mcintosh. I am the Legal Studies Director and Lead Professor at Paul Quinn College, and also a Managing Partner in McIntosh & Ward. This event is important for exposure. It also gives African Americans and other minorities an opportunity to interact with people who are in the field to determine what they did well, what they would do differently, and how they would go forth if they had to do it again.
Both Io and I have been at this conference many times as aspiring law students, and now we are law students, so this conference is very, very beneficial, and it prepares them in a way that they usually won't get this type of preparation, and they won't find it anywhere else.
As a law student, I feel like it's part of my responsibility to give back to the conference and encourage people to attend. Even until now, there are some contacts that I made at this conference that have helped me in my legal career.
I'm from Seattle, Washington, and I go to a predominantly white institution, and so I think it's really imperative to be around people of color who are where you want to be.
So as a person of color, I would have more awareness of what it would actually be like.
My name is Wayne E. Brown. I'm just highly impressed, and I love what Evangeline Mitchell is doing. I think it's exceptional work, and I congratulate her on the success, as this is number 9 in terms of its organizational work that she has put forth.
I got involved with the conference about 5 years ago. I was a speaker at that conference, and during that time I got an opportunity to meet a lot of young people who had aspirations about becoming lawyers, and I just fell in love with the energy surrounding the conference, and I've just been happy being associated with the conference over the last 5 years.
This is a vehicle. Law school is a vehicle to bring about positive change. If you don't know, you injure yourself and your family as well as the community. When you can become enlightened, as law school does, there's nothing that you cannot challenge intelligently, and very little that you cannot change.